Welcome. This is odoommaths. Today I want us to look at this example here and try to solve it manually, and then after we'll use the calculator to solve this to see. Now, if 5x minus 3y equals 28 and negative 2x plus 4y equals 14, solve for x and y by the matrix inverse approach. So that is, we have to solve these two simultaneous equations using the inverse of a matrix, the method that we learned earlier. Okay, so now let's first rewrite the question again and then see how we can solve it. Okay, so we first need to write the coefficients matrix. Now we let A equals 5, negative 3, negative 2, 4. And then we let B also becomes 28, 14, as well as our x being equal to x, y. Okay, now this is a 2 by 2 matrix. This is a 2 by 1 matrix. And this is also a 2 by 1 matrix. But we are told that x or ax is equal to b, and that when we make x the subject, we are going to have x being equal to a inverse times b. So it means that we need to get inverse of a, then we multiply it to b to get the x or the elements of x, matrix x. Okay, so our matrix A is 5, neg 3, neg 2, 4. So we need to find the inverse of A. But before we find the inverse of A, we need the determinant of A. So the determinant of A is, we multiply the elements of the leading diagonal, then we subtract it. We subtract that of the other diagonal from it. So 5 times 4 is 20. Minus negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6. So minus 6. And that is going to give us 14. Okay, so the determinant of A is 14. Then our A inverse becomes 1 over the determinant of A, which is 14, times, then we interchange the elements of the leading diagonal. So 4 will come here, 5 will come here. Then we negate the other diagonal. But this is already negative and then negative. So this is going to be 2 and this is also going to be 3. Okay, then we need to multiply this. So when you multiply this, 1 over 14 times 4 is like 4 over 14, which is 2 over 7. So this is going to be 2 over 7. Then 1 over 14 times 3 becomes 3 over 14. Then 2 over 14, 2 times 1 over 14 becomes 1 over 7. Then 5 times 1 over 14 becomes 5 over 14. Okay, so this is the inverse of matrix A. Okay, so we need to multiply it to that of B to get the value, the x. So x is now equal to the inverse of A, which is 2 over 7, 3 over 14, 1 over 7, 5 over 14. To multiply the matrix B, which we already know it to be 28, 14. Okay, so now let's multiply. We are multiplying. Now, this is 2 over 7 times 28 plus 3 over 14 times 14. So 2 over 7 times 28, 2 over 7 times 28 plus 3 over 14 times 14. So plus 3 over 14 times 14. Then 1 over 7 times 28, so 1 over 7 times 28 plus 5 over 14 times 14, so 5 over 14 times 14. So in matrix multiplication, we multiply the first row of the first matrix by the first column of the second matrix. So this is the second matrix, and this is only a 1 column, so having 1 column. So this is just a 2 by 1. So after multiplying, that's all. So in multiplying, 7 into 28 4 times 2 is 8 plus 3 becomes 11 here. Now 7 into 28 again is 4. 14 into 14 is also 1. So 1 times 4 is 4. 5 times 1 is also 5. So 4 plus 5 is 9. Okay, so this tells us that for the value of x, it's 11, and that of y is 9. Now let's use the calculator to solve this and see whether we are going to get the same answer or not. Okay. After using the calculator for solving a question in different mode, we need to change it to the original, the normal mode. That is, you press mode 1, then everything will go off. Now we are at the normal mode. So this is a matrix question. So we need to change to matrix mode. So we press mode, then matrix is number 6. So 6. And we are using just one matrix. So let me enter. We are using two matrices. So I'm going to enter 1 and then 2, matrix A and then matrix B. So matrix A is 1. And we are asked the question to state the dimension of matrix A. And matrix A is 2 by 2. So we are going to choose 2 by 2, which is number 5. So number 5 here. So we press 5 for 2 by 2. Then we need to do the entries. So we have 5, then we press the equal to sign, then negative 3, then we press the equal to sign, then negative 2, we press the equal to sign, 4, then we press the equal to sign. Okay, so we've entered the elements of A, matrix A. So now we press AC. So this is AC. So AC. Now everything is gone. Then you press Shift 4, because 4, we have matrix written there. So anything written in yellow, we use the shift function. Anything written in pink, we use the alpha. So Shift 4. So we are going to enter matrix B. So we need to take the dimension. So 1. And matrix B is 2 here. So 2. Then matrix B is 2 by 1. 2 by 1 matrix. So we press 2 by 1, which is number 6. So we have 28, then 14. Okay. Now we press AC again. So we first need to find the inverse of A to multiply it to B before we get the matrix X. So the inverse of A, since we have matrix A in, we press Shift 4 again. Now matrix A is corresponding to number 3. So 3. Okay. Then we use this x to the power negative 1. This key, x to the power negative 1. So we press this. Now we are seeing matrix A raised to the power negative 1. Okay. Now we are going to multiply this by the matrix B. So times the matrix B. So Shift matrix. Then matrix B is number 4. So we press 4. So we have matrix A inverse times matrix B. Then we press the equal to sign. And we are seeing that for the x component, it is 11. And then for the y component, it is 9. This is what we had for the first example that we did. Thanks for watching. Bye. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this channel. This is odoommaths. Bye.